one of the things I like to find on here is just fun stickers, because I see them advertised all over for way too much. But anyway, one of the ones I want to show off is these cool guys called hotel stickers. I'm sure I've found them for cheaper than this overall, but what I'm going to look at here, there they are, 56 pieces. Yes, I really like these. Okay, not the Supreme. And I thought that was funny that the Supreme ones are the $2.30, because these are wicked stickers. I bought some, and this one says, oh, it's supposed to not be different. Well, it's because actually, traditionally, if you look around, I think they're 55, and somebody probably put one double in or something. Anyhow, you got to watch out for the different counts, the different prices. Like I said, I went low to high, and so you're going to see all the different combinations here. But whatever you find, I'm just going to prop this one right here. I thought that was cool. So one of the things you can look for if you wanted to buy anything else from this vendor, well, let's just add that to my cart. Hit back. I like to go to the items and then price low to high and see if there's anything else that I want to add. So what's this? Some stickers. These are sheet. Oh no, these are PVC again. And then, oh, they're individual ones. And then this one right here is 46 random ones for $2.66. And they have a bunch of others you can buy individually. So you could add a few single stickers in. You could add a squishy toy. You could add, oh, look, this guy. These were on BuzzFeed today. You could get 3 of them, and I think it came to $9. So, $9. Look. 82 cents each. You could go up to 3, and even if it decided to start accruing shipping, it would still only be 82 cents times 3 plus the stickers. Look at that, $4.44 and $2.46 for the peapods that you saw on BuzzFeed today for like $9 on Amazon. So this again would come, this order is still under $5, so it would probably still take a couple weeks longer than any other way, but what a fun thing. I bought these stickers, and then we took magnets that I got from the pharmacy and put them on the back and then trim the magnets off, and now I have cool magnets for my fridge that are my retro stickers. Oh, there's some fun stuff in here. Yeah, and hey, while I'm here, if you like the store, go up to the top of it. Whoop, whoop, sorry, store. And then hit follow right there. Ta-da! Cheers.